Take your right distance. You have to get up in your lines. Okay. So do not make your line randomly. Just stay in your quiet. So my dear students, every day I have told you just come to the school in a disciplined manner. So some of the students, no, I'm not seeing them. Randomly they are coming to the school. So without wasting my time, I will come to the topic. My today's topic is hard work, luck, and how you manage luck and hard work. And sometimes most of the students, most of the persons just believe on luck. So no, I will just define your luck. Luck just matter only 1%. Luck depends on your hard work. So the work you do, that refer to luck. A refer means that gives you information about luck. So everything depends on your luck. It has been said wrong. In our Sanatan Dharma, in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Sri Krishna has been said this. Just work is worship. Work is worship. It means karm hi puja hai. If you work, if you do hard work, and if you believe on work, definitely you will be succeeded in your life. So now, in today's era, these days, I see every day, whoever I meet, everybody just believe on luck. So if you believe on luck, you will not get success in your life. So luck doesn't matter. Luck doesn't matter. You just believe on luck and do not hard work of seeing this. I am completely dependent on the luck. Okay, so everyone just do hard work instead of believing on your karmas, on your luck. Do not believe on luck. Just believe luck. Just work only 1%, and that 1% changed into 100%. How it changed? I tell you in Hindi. My dear students, it has been said this. ये कहा गया है कि जो किस्मत पर भरोसा करते हैं, the person who believes on luck, जो व्यक्ति किस्मत पर भरोसा करते हैं, वो जीवन में किस्मत पर भरोसा करते रह जाते हैं. Okay, and the person who believes on their work, on their duty, on their karma, they lead their life, they lead to the pupils. वो लोग आगे निकलते हैं अपने जीवन में, आगे निकलकर लोगों को लीड करते हैं. So it's a matter of working, it's a matter of karma. If you are in karma, if you are in working mode, you are leading your life, you will live your life satisfyingly. It means two more words I will just define here. Overall मैं define करूँगा यहाँ पर today. My dear students, how you schedule your life and how you manage your life. Everything is managed according to the time, as per the time. Just you have time, this time. It's your just student life. So you have given a free hand. इसमें आपको फ्री हैंड मीन्स आपको छूट दी गई है कि whatever you want to do in your life, you have choice, you have choices to choose. आपके पास मौके हैं चुनने के लिए अपने करियर के बारे में. Whatever career, whatever option you want to just select, you can choose now. Depends on your choices. So my dear students, one of the chapter at 9th class is giving the road not taken. एक 10th क्लास में चैप्टर दिया गया है द रोड नॉट टेकिंग चॉइसेस. Okay, so that also define. Do not leave your chance. Do not leave your chance. Do not give up your, the time that is running on. So it's a very important thing. Do not believe on luck. Just believe on your hard work. Whatever you do, that will change into your result. If you do wrong thing, यदि आज आप गलत चीजें करते हो, डेफिनेटली उसका रिजल्ट गलत मिलेगा. इफ यू डू गुड थिंग, यदि आप अच्छी चीजें करते हो, दैट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू फाइनेंशियली लीडिंग, दैट विल टेक यू टू द टॉप. वन एग्जांपल आई गिव यू हियर. एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको यहाँ पर, एंड दैट इज द एग्जांपल इज श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, Honorable President, Prime Minister of India. Most of the countries are called them the tea seller. उन्हें किस नाम से बोला जाता है? चाय बेचने वाला. How he has become the Prime Minister of India and how he has managed the journey from a tea seller to Prime Minister of India. This is not a little thing. ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है, my dear students. It's a big matter. A person who sells tea and after being sold the tea becomes the Prime Minister of India and first becomes the Chief Minister of Gujarat. And today is leading the whole country. मैं केवल इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm not talking just about only in India. मैं केवल इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ आज. Even the supreme power of the world, America also just, get fears from Narendra Modi government. So you have to be just very hard work and very honest without wasting your time on luck. I have told you this word, 3 to 4 times. Do not just believe on luck and just stay in your discipline. And discipline just lead your life to the success. So, 3 things you have learned: honesty, discipline, and hard work. As this thing is said by Lord Krishna, karma hi pooja, works is perfect. If you go to temple, it's a good thing. Because you are just performing your duty. But do not forget to do your own work. आप लोग कुछ भी काम करते हो, do not make noise. आप लोग कुछ भी काम करते हो, लेकिन यदि आपका अपना काम आ रहा है, just do that honestly, leaving all the work. यदि आपका अपना काम आ रहा है, तो सभी काम को छोड़कर बस अपना काम को परफॉर्म करो. That is the final thing of this. Okay? So thank you too much, all of you. Thank you.
Hands up.